Do you guys want to know how to do this? If you came across this, it'll show you. Press the plus sign. You're going to have to go to Google, then search cursed emoji cute, then pick a picture. Well, if you see there's a line, you have to do something about it. Press magic wand. Tap anywhere except the emoji. Just make your eraser full max, then start erasing till there's no more line. Press the remove selection button. Now save with transparent PNG. It will already be in your camera roll, so just go back to gallery, delete that project. Now press plus sign again. Take that photo that you edited. Now pick a color, any color. I go with light green cause I think it's cute. Now just put the color for the background. Then start blurring max mode. It won't look like pixels, so yay. I just like the effect blur does. LOL, don't mind this, I tried to do something. Well guys, I hope this helped. Bye.